You're looking at a weed. Most people see a problem, but what if it's a message? Welcome to Soil Says. This channel is about understanding what your soil is already telling you through the plants growing on it. Every weed, every pattern, every change in growth is a signal. Some plants show you where your soil is rich. Others show you where it's struggling. Most people ignore these signs. That's where they lose money. Here, we break down what these plants mean, what they reveal about your land, and how you can use that information to make better decisions. No guesswork, no theory without application. Just real signals you can see and use. If you work with land, this will change how you look at it. Subscribe and start reading your soil.